Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. As we are getting closer to August, Samsung is gearing up to launch their next smartwatch. If you are thinking next Galaxy Watch will be a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, then you are wrong. Samsung once again is going for a Galaxy Watch Classic model this year. Yes, a classic model with a rotating bezel. A new leak shows the model numbers and the battery size of the next Galaxy Watch from Samsung. So, this year we are not going to see a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Samsung will launch Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic this year. According to this leak, the model numbers for Galaxy Watch 8 will be SML320 and SML330, two sizes for Galaxy Watch 8. For Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, there are also two models like SML500 and SML505. Battery size has been also leaked, and there is not a good news. Galaxy Watch 8, yes the simple one, will have a battery size of about 435 mAh. That's about 10 mAh more than Galaxy Watch 7. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will also have a similar sized battery. A lot of people only buy Galaxy smartwatches because of that physical rotating bezel. It's a cool Galaxy Watch feature that also serves a purpose. You can navigate quickly through menu, messages, and watch faces. Right now, there is no as such information about the design of Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. But like past generations, Samsung will stick towards a classy design, which is lightweight, looks good, and has a signature rotating bezel. Those who already have a Galaxy Watch Ultra, there is no need to upgrade to Watch 8 Classic. Wait for 2026. Samsung is working on a new solid-state battery technology that may not arrive till 2026 or 2027. Also, there are reports of a mini LED display. That's also not happening this year. A mini LED display helps to see out in the daylight. It's better suited for a more rugged smartwatch like the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, Ultra may second have that mini LED display. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.